Welcome to Political Science Department and our advising page. We have prepared this advising page to serve best our majors, minors, certificates, and have prepared a series of instructional videos that outline the general education requirements for our programs, the foreign language requirements, the Capstone requirement, as well as the two requirements for the two majors, political science and international affairs. In this video in particular, we will discuss the requirements for political science majors. As you very well know, we house two majors, political science and international affairs. As far as political science is concerned, this is our old traditional discipline-specific major. It has some minor adjustments or specific requirements when it comes to general education coursework. For example, we vet our quantitative reasoning course. Students are required to fulfill 6 credit hours in the College of Arts and Sciences. One of those courses should be a statistics course, one of the following three: 1031, 1034, or 1035, and the second class should be Political Science 3001C. 3001C is a political science class taught by somebody in our own discipline who will teach students majoring in political science, journalism, and other similar disciplines about quantitative research and data analysis. It is possible, however, students have completed other similar courses to have that requirement adjusted. They need to contact for that purpose their director of undergraduate studies for permission. The major as a whole requires 42 semester credit hours of coursework. Those 42 credit hours are distributed among introductory courses, of which 12 credit hours students need to complete, and a political inquiry course. This is the scope and methods course in political science. Currently, we have Political Science 1001, called Understanding the Political World as a required course, but those students who have completed this requirement before fall of 2016, they have taken Political Science 3000. The 4 introductory courses required for the major include the introduction to American politics, to political theory, 1040, 1010, and 1040 respectively, introduction to comparative politics, 1060, and 1080, introduction to international relations. These are the 4 major subfields around which the discipline of political science is organized in North America. Similarly, the area of emphasis includes 27 credit hours. This is 9 semester-long courses in the same 4 major subfields. Students are required to complete at least one class in these 4 subfields: American politics, political theory, comparative politics, international relations, and international relations. And of course, they can choose however they would like to distribute their coursework across the 4 subfields. Note that political theory has the shortest number of offerings, and we usually only offer 1 class a semester, maybe 2 at maximum, with focus in political theory. So students should plan ahead and fulfill this requirement when courses are offered so that they can complete the degree in a timely fashion. In addition to those 29 courses across the 4 subfields, students are also required to fulfill the capstone requirement. The capstone requirement usually involves a political science course at 5000 level, 5035C or any 5100 level, a senior thesis, or a 7000 level graduate level seminar in political science. The capstone coursework also counts toward the 27 credit hours in the area of emphasis. The capstone will also fulfill one of the 4 subfields or area of emphasis courses. Note that in addition to the 4 subfields, we have a 5th, which is called optional political science electives. Optional political science electives are for those courses that don't fill the traditional 4 subfields, such as, for example, Political Science 1090, Introduction to Law, Politics, and Society, a very popular class, yet not fit, the class that does not fit in any of the 4 categories, but will count toward the 27 credit hours. the individual work, as well as the Political Science 4090 Internship Practicum course, which among other things will also fulfill the required experiential learning and internship requirement for the College of Arts and Sciences. The Washington Center coursework also will count here under optional electives. Please note that oftentimes students who complete a study abroad courses and take courses in the discipline in similar disciplines like history, culture, or language may ask to receive credit for political science coursework. That actually is sometimes difficult to happen if the course is not strictly discipline specific. That is because we're very cautious to make sure that students get credit for courses, whether done abroad, transferred from other institutions, that are discipline specific, specific to the discipline of political science. Now, for example, the audit that I have as an example here shows you that all the four introductory courses are completed. The student has completed Political Science 1001, Power and Politics, Understanding the Political World as a part of their approaches and methods requirement, and they have already accumulated more than what they require, 29 given the required 27 hours in the area of emphasis. Obviously, their core focus has been in American politics and international relations, where they have completed respectively 6 courses, and the rest of the coursework is completed in political theory and comparative politics. The student has actually taken 2 courses under the capstone category, which is again possible. That's because of their preferences to focus across a broader range of categories, or across a broader range of coursework. Please note that oftentimes our students have the opportunity to complete another major, and especially if that major is an interdisciplinary, like international affairs or environmental studies, or another minor in other similar disciplines, such as journalism, for example, sociology of the social sciences, or any of the foreign languages. For those students who are prefer to major in something else, but are interested in the subfield of in the discipline of political science, we have a minor in political science, which includes 21 credit hours of political science coursework. 3 of those courses, or 9 credits, should be introductory, and 4 or 12 credits should be upper level coursework. Note that also our political science majors have the opportunity, along with their degree, to complete a certificate in one of our 4 certificates. That could be a certificate in security studies, in international human rights, in legal studies, or in cybersecurity. We also offer political science courses that can contribute toward completion of an area of studies major or concentration, certificates such as Asian studies and European studies as well. Please explore carefully your opportunities and maximize your experience on campus. Thank you for your attention, and let us know, consult with your advisors